Alright guys, I just wanted to show you, this is one of my squirrel hunting blinds. This one's a tripod that I put netting up around to make it sort of like a box stand. Put leaves and branches all over the netting. I got a feeder on that tree right there. Log where I keep the feed, some more feed at. So I'm going to show you what it's like inside. Alright, so we're in the stand now, and as you see I have enough room. The netting moved, so it moves with me if I need to move. And like I said, about 20 yards away, squirrel feeder. And about 15 yards away is that fallen log. I got the bait right at the end of it. The chair does rotate, and I would get busted when I was sitting here in this tripod without this netting and these leaves. They would see me, and I just put that feeder up over there, so hopefully I'll start getting some results feeding there. I leaned my gun up right there. That's my Marlin Model 60-22 with the new stock I got for it on it. But yeah, this is just one of my squirrel blinds. I'll show y'all. I'll upload more videos of my other ones later. So thanks for watching.